Hi everyone, this is Romy with Villa Lux, and today we are at our latest listing. So we are here in the urbanization Les Vans in Benitachell, which is at about a 10-minute drive from Moreira and Gavia. So the urbanization is really nice, relaxed, peaceful, and this particular property has beautiful views over the Benitachell church, which beautifully lights up during the evening. So the plot is south facing, which is perfect for the winter months as well. There's a brand new pool. The entire property is distributed over one level and has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. I think it's really a nice property, nice arches, this beautiful olive tree right here at the entrance. Why don't we go check it out? So like I said, it's a really beautiful property. So if you've been watching this video and would like to know more about this property or to arrange a viewing, don't hesitate to get in touch with us. And also if you're thinking about selling your own property, give us a call, write us an email. We are there to help you.